There's actually not a lot of people I'm seeing that are making videos on AMD in terms of technical analysis. And right now, I think it's one of the most critical times, especially since one, the overall market is down, and two, AMD has just been going down since the high of 227. Do I think AMD is going to have a reversal? In my opinion, yes. And I think the downside is very, very little in comparison to the reversal, the upside move, okay? So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you the current price and the possible downside move. And then I'll go over the upside move, okay? So I only think we have a 12% move towards the downside left if there is any more downside. And what I would personally be doing is dollar cost averaging, right? In my opinion, I don't see AMD breaking below $88 unless the entire market crashes, right? Not a correction, but actually crashes, right? $88 here is going to be a major support level for AMD, in my opinion. I don't see us breaking down below that. And again, that's about a 12% drop from where we are right now. So I'm just prepared for that in a bearish case scenario if I'm going long, okay? AMD upside move. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out here just to show you. Even on a weekly chart, we are near oversold levels at the 30 RSI. So if anything, in my opinion, this is one of the best times to be going into AMD. Obviously, I could be wrong, but just look at the chart itself. AMD from a high of 227 dropping all the way down to $98. I personally would look to load in between $115 and $88. That's just my prediction there, that this is being a really good dip opportunity. Hypothetically, if you were to add in right now at $98 and we looked for a move towards 115, that's just a minimal price target. That's a 15% move towards the top side. Just speaking on shares, right? Personally, within this year of 2025, I am looking for a test between 130 all the way to about 141, and that's going to be about a 42% move towards the upside. So already within this year, the downside is only about 12% versus the upside, in my opinion, 42% upside, all right? If you believe AMD will eventually make all-time highs, which we've seen big spikes, big pullback, big spikes, big pullback. If you believe AMD will reach all-time highs, it's going to be incredible from our current price here. Check out the move to the all-time high at 227 from current prices. That's a 127% upside move. The only thing is there's not going to be a lot of patient people holding AMD. I think people are going to be probably be taking profits at 115, 141, 174, and I don't blame them, right? Everyone's financials are their own, right? Do your own due diligence and do what you got to do. But I'm just saying there's going to be resistances and selling pressure over time at 115, 141, and 174 on the way to 227, okay? So 227, in my opinion, eventually will be retested. It's just a matter of time, and I believe 114 to 87 is one of the best dip opportunities for AMD stock. Now, I'm not saying to full port your portfolio into AMD stock because anything could happen, right? I'm just sharing with you my opinion here. 115 to 87 looks like a really attractive price. You can even see my yellow box here is my loading in phase for AMD stock. Looking for that reversal, and once the overall market reverses back up as well, I do believe 115 is going to be retested here for AMD, okay? Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you bullish on AMD in the short term, long term? Do you think NVIDIA is causing also AMD to be where it's at today? Do you think AMD will recover? And if you're long term on AMD stock or even short term, I highly recommend joining the Discord. Link down below in the description. We have over 32,000 members and it's free to join. There's an AMD section, there's an NVIDIA chat section. Everyone's like able to debate and share their discussions, due diligence, ask questions, share your opinions. You're more than welcome to come on in, and it's a very friendly and welcoming community. And last but not least, if you want live entries and exits on stocks and options, or if you want lessons, you can join our Patreon. It's currently 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. We've got over 20 analysts. Everyone's pretty friendly and knowledgeable. You're more than welcome to ask us questions. And we're just sharing our personal opinions. This isn't like financial advice or anything. You can view it as entertainment purposes, or just come on in, ask questions, and take things with a grain of salt, all right? Link down below for Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for AMD stock.